Have you ever opened a website and within millisecond it loads perfectly? No waiting, no white screen, no lag. But then you visit another website and it feels like it was built in 2010. So, what actually separates a fast modern website from a slow, frustrating one? Is it internet speed, better servers, or is there something deeper happening behind the skin? Today, I am going to show you the technology powering many of the world's fastest modern websites. And by the end of this video, you will understand why developers are moving forward one powerful framework, Next.js. So, let's get started. First, introductions, problem setup. Let us understand something first. The internet has changed. User today don't wait. If your website takes more than a few seconds to load, people leave, and that single delay can destroy business trust and audience retention, SEO ranking, and even revenue. And modern users expect website to feel like apps, smooth, fast, interactive, instant. That's why developers started moving beyond traditional front-end development. And another one is the evolutions of web development. Early, most websites were built using simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then frameworks arrived, and one framework completely changed front-end development. React. React made websites dynamic and component based. Instead of reloading entire page, React update only the parts that change. That was revolutionary, but React alone had a major challenge: SEO, performance, and initially loading speed. Because most React app worked heavily on the client side, meaning the browsers had to load JavaScript first, then build the page, which sometimes created slow first loads, es- especially for blogs, business website, e-commerce, news platform. And another one is build suspense. Imagine if React could become faster, SEO friendly, search engine optimization, productions ready, scalable, and optimized automatically. Imagine a framework that combines front-end, back-end, routing, optimizations, and performance all together. That framework is Next.js. What is Next.js? Next.js means is a React framework built for productions grade application created by the company. It helps developer build websites that are incredible fast, SEO optimized, scalable, and modern. In simple word, React gives you the engine and Next.js give you the entire high performance car. And another topic is why Next.js is special. Now, let's deeply understand why developers love Next.js. First point is server-side rendering. Means normally in React the browser builds the page, but in Next.js the server can prepare the page before sending it to users. This is called server-side rendering. Result: faster loading, better SEO, and improved u- user experience. And come on the next point: file-based routing. In traditional React, routing setup can become messy, but in Next.js, creating page is unbelievable simply. It creates a file and automatically it becomes a route. Cleaner structure, better scalability, faster development, and another one is SEO friendly. It means Google loves fast website and Next.js help website rank better because pages can be pre-rendered. That means search engine can easily read content. This is why many companies choose Next.js for blogs, startups, portfolios, SaaS product, and business platform. And fourth point is image optimizations. Image usually slow website down, but Next.js automatically optimize image. A smaller size, faster loading, better performance without developers manually doing everything. And last one is uh, full stack full stack capability. Here's where things become powerful. Next.js is no longer just front end. You can also build backend APIs inside the same project, meaning front end plus backend together. One ecosystem, one framework, cleaner architecture, and another point is real world impact. Topic is real world impact. Today, many modern companies and startups use Next.js because performance matter. In the digital world, speed creates trust and trust creates growth. And another topic is emotional connections. Uh, think about this. Sometimes users don't notice good technology, but they always notice bad experience. A slow website silently loses opportunity. A fast website silently builds confidence. And last point is the future. Future, and honestly, the future of web development is moving toward performance, scalability, SEO, and better user experience. Developers are no longer just building website. They are building digital experience, and frameworks like Next.js are loading that transformation. So, if you are learning web development or planning to build a modern digital product, don't just learn how to make website, learn how to make website fast, and that journey eventually leads to Next.js. One more things, you need to open your browser and search here Next.js, Next.js documentation, and click here, and you can see here everything. related about Next.js, installations, installations, project structures. You can see here a lot of things about Next.js, layout and pages, linking and navigation, server and client component, fetching data, caching, error handling, proxy route handling. From this, uh, do yourself study and learn. If this video helped you understand modern web development better, like the video, share it with your developer friends, and subscribe for more deep tech content simplified in the easiest way possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.